Hey City Builder fans, today we're looking at Cityscape on the Apple Vision Pro. This is a game where you build and run your own city, and as you can see here, I'm in my backyard. If you're a SimCity fan or Cities Skyline fan, you'll definitely want to check out this game. Cityscape was created for the iPhone and iPad. However, the developers created a Apple Vision Pro version that really brings the game to life, where you're interacting with your city with your hands and eyes. Cityscape is a groundbreaking game available on the Apple Arcade. It leverages the advanced AR capability of the Apple Vision Pro to provide a truly immersive city building experience. You'll manage every aspect of your city, from building residential zones to parks to power stations. The game shines with its use of hand tracking. You can lay down roads, build structures, and manage city functions with simple gestures, such as pinching your fingers together or touching the VR city directly. It feels incredibly natural and adds a whole new dimension to the game. Cityscape offers detailed city management. Like SimCity or Cities Skylines, you control everything from zoning and infrastructure to public service. The depth of management is impressive and keeps you engaged for hours. As you play the game, you're given missions such as build 10 buildings or upgrade your power station. As you accomplish a mission, the game unlocks new features such as ability to build fire stations or a school for your town. The bird's eye view is not only visually stunning but also highly practical. It allows you to make real-time adjustments and see the immediate impact of your decision. Buildings are detailed and it is fun getting up close and personal to your city. This feature is a game changer and really showcases the AR feature of the Apple Vision Pro. While the game is fun and I enjoyed my time playing the game, there are a few downsides. First, the game requires the Apple Vision Pro. And at $3,000 plus, which is a significant investment, not everyone will have the Apple Vision Pro. Second, the city view is small. I find myself constantly moving the map to view different sections of my city. Also, the detail management system may be overwhelming for new players of the genre, but at the same time, it may be too simplified for veterans of SimCity and Skyline fans. I would compare this game more like SimCity than to Skyline in terms of control and customization. And, of course, there's the issue of battery life during extensive gameplay. When I was playing, I played about 45 minutes with no problem in terms of battery usage. And I'm sure I could have gone on more for another hour total. However, if you're going to play this game for extended gaming sessions, you probably want to be tethered to an outlet. Overall, Cityscape on the Apple Vision Pro is a must-try game for fans of simulation games. I really enjoyed the game, and I can see myself spending many hours building my own city. Its innovative use of AR and detailed city management tools offer an experience like no other, especially on the Apple Vision Pro. While there are some challenges, the immersive gameplay makes it all the worthwhile. If you enjoyed this review, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more content. Let me know in the comments what you think about Cityscape and if you're excited to try out it on the Apple Vision Pro. Also, let me know what other games should I try on next on the Apple Vision Pro. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.